And our tool is a tool that helps parents to raise happy humans. Parents have many problems, and usually they're overloaded, they do not have enough information, and they need to make tons of decisions about their kids. And this tool will be some kind of advanced chat GPT with other integrated solutions to make videos, to make pitches. And the first stage of it is to collect information about kid and kids' reactions, so kids' health state. It will be like in form of chat that gives a request to parents to evaluate their kid somehow. Then it will be more active, like giving a kid tasks to check their reactions. And then based on several categories of development like education, health, being social, that are needed to make kid happy and live in harmony with the world, this tool will give recommendations. What kind of activities to do, what places to go, what are the good activities for the kid, and with this help, parents will not have to make all these decisions. This tool will give good recommendations for them that will maximize the probability that this kid will be happy. At the same time, it will continue to collect all the information about kid to direct this kid to better solutions. And also, parents will be able to leave this kid when it will be older with this tool to create some kind of adventure for the kid using video, using some kind of AI creating activities and quests.
Oh, sorry. I think the 2 minutes is up. I just forgot to. Yeah, sorry.
No.
Yeah, I didn't want to interrupt, so please finish. I just remembered that.
No, I just wanted to feed the rest of the time.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I did not ask before, but do you have any comments or any questions?
Yeah, I would totally have my kid raised with the help of the AI assistant that will generate the quest for it. So, yeah, go ahead. Yeah, have your invisible friend tell you what to do.
Yeah, right. I also think it matches well with the Barbie thing as well, so yeah. Okay.